Complete yourself with the all-on-4 treatment concept, the dental implant solution to make you smile. This is Peter. Like many people of his age, Peter's been wearing dentures for a number of years. But Peter's never been happy with them. They often come loose when eating and sometimes, embarrassingly, when talking. Peter constantly had to glue his dentures back on. This was quite annoying. He hated the feeling of the glue in his mouth. The dentures never really felt like a part of Peter, so he finally decided to talk to his dentist about an alternative. His dentist recommends dental implants and especially the all-on-4 treatment concept, an implant solution that can return a lost smile on the same day of implant placement. With just 4 implants, an entire row of new teeth can be delivered. And as the implants at the back of the mouth are placed at an angle, even patients who have little jawbone left will be able to benefit from the treatment. This means Peter can have his implants fitted by his dentist and walk out with provisional teeth on the day of implant placement, allowing him to quickly return to leading a normal life. After the implants have healed in, Peter receives his customized set of fixed teeth that with careful oral hygiene can keep him smiling year after year after year, a result of decades of research and the latest technology. Peter now has more than one reason to smile. His new teeth feel great and really do complete him. He's able to enjoy his favorite foods and can speak with confidence again. If you're struggling with the same problems as Peter, speak to your dentist and find out if you too can complete yourself with the all-on-4 treatment concept.